Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 13 Pro to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. In order to use this app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can choose Not Now if you want to. When you're ready, close it by selecting OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and receive Next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Stick around on an Android to pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. On it, you need to tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them select those type of dots. This way you will choose all of your files from this category and send them later on. You can also just tap on the chosen files. I will go with this one photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, you can do that by choosing this scanning icon located next to Input key on an Android. Now choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, we have a lot of time to do it, and connect using Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!